Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Happiness, a Lifestyle, and I'm Hema. And today I've got some Ross haul for you guys. And this is something I've been collecting for a while. And I was doing that with all the stuff actually. I would like, whenever I get some like TJ Maxx stuff or Ross or Target, I was like kind of collecting them to do the haul at once. I think I'm done with my TJ Maxx now. So I thought let me do my Ross one so that I can start using them. So let me start with what I got. So this one I have already opened because I used it on my hair just the other day. This is the Keratin Vitamin E mask and smoothing mask with liquid keratin, and I really needed something for my hair, so I thought I'm going to give that a try, and it was $5.99. It was $5.99, so I got that, and it did feel very smooth, like like it basically felt like a conditioner actually. But so I already tried it when I took in my shower, like when I washed my hair yesterday. I tried it, so it felt good. The second one is this hot buns, and I thought I'm going to try it. I usually put my hair up like most of the time, but not that I'm not going to go and put all this and go fancily outside to school or something. But I thought like I do have a wedding coming up and everything, so I thought I can do some style with this maybe by using this. So I got this, and it looks like it has a small and a large. I haven't really opened it yet, so let me try to show you guys. Yeah, so it has like a small one and then like a large one, a long one like that. So I still don't know how to use it, but I'm going to read the instruction and try that, and maybe I will do that hairstyle on YouTube one day on one of the videos. And then I got this. I really like this one. I got this Kabuki brush, but it is like a retractable Kabuki brush. I got it for $2.99. And I really like this because this will be really great for travel. And I usually I have one Smashbox one, but it's like it's very heavy. It's like the retractable one that can go in, and you can close it once you use it, but it's very heavy. The whole cover itself is like so heavy, but this is so light, so that's why I got it for $2.99. That was like a good price, and it's so light, so you can put it in your purse, and it's a little more smaller and sleeker than the other one, like the Smashbox one. So if you guys have the Smashbox one, this is much sleeker and light, very light. So it closes like that, and you can like use it tighter like that, or then make it a bigger brush. So I really loved this one. So you can close it like put that, and then you can like, whoa, hold on, put this. What am I doing? Okay, and then it closes like that. So I really like this from Elf. So that's pretty cute. And then I got this one. It was 49 cents. Okay, this was like just 49 cents. This is like a relaxing eye pillow, and it's really, I think, very gimmicky, I guess, but for 49 cents I was like, okay, I'm going to take it, because the way it is, I think it has stones in it, so you just have to like heat it in the microwave, and then you can like keep it on your eyes, to kind of rest your eyes, or even you can keep in the freezer or fridge and then cool it, and then you can, the stones would be cool for a long time, so then you can keep it on your eyes to rest. So it can do both. It can give you the cooling. It says here heat therapy and cold therapy, and also there are like washing instructions here, because I really like to wash it because it has that furry thing. I didn't like that furry stuff on the top. So this is how it looks, and like I opened it, And so I don't like this, like, you know, it's like falling off the fur, but I probably should wash it and then try to use it. But the eye side where you actually put it on your eyes, it's pretty plain, so that's fine. And you can feel the stones inside, like tiny stones or beads, and I think they warm up when you put in the microwave, and then you just keep it and rest it. And I really wanted this because I don't know if you guys do that. I do that all the time. Whenever I have coffee or tea or something, always I keep it, like after I drink the cup, even when I'm drinking, if I'm halfway done, I'm always touching it to my cheeks or, you know, somewhere here. And when I'm completely done, I just kind of hold it and kind of massage my eyes with it a little bit. I always do it. I don't know. It's like a habit. I always do that with anything hot I'm drinking, whether it's hot water or tea or coffee. So I like the heat, you know, on my eyes a lot. So that's why I thought, okay, let me give that a try. You know, it's not even $1, so 50 cents. Why not? So then I got this one, and this actually, I don't know if, I think after I got all those TJ masks, in the TJ Maxx, I got all those masks. I probably wouldn't have got this, but this I got long back in Ross, so I'm just going to try it anyway. I haven't tried it yet, and I've heard about this matcha so much that it's so good for your body, for even drink, like intake, you know, taking it in or face or whatever, that I wanted to try this face mask, the matcha green tea face mask. And it was like on more sale, like the red tag was there, like $3.50. So I thought I'm going to give this a try. So I had got this. I've not tried this yet though. But I want to update you on the 24 karat gold one that I showed in TJ Maxx haul. I actually tried that, and I don't know, I didn't like it as much as the collagen one. The collagen and vitamin C one, I really loved that one. And I cannot find that one, you know, anywhere. I only found that eye mask. But the 24 karat gold one, I didn't like it that much. So I had only taken, like, you know, I had used one out of one pack. So what I did was the other pack, which was like not opened at all, I went and returned that already. So I only have my one pack that I kind of have to use it. So I did use it yesterday, I think, or 2 days back. I used it, and I kind of felt like, just like my face was looking more like tan when after I use it. It didn't feel fresh. So that's why I just I didn't see too much of a difference, I guess. So that's why I thought like I'll return the other pack. So the other pack I returned. So so that's the update on that 24 karat gold one that I had got from, I think it was Azure Cosmetics from TJ Maxx. I had got it, was in my TJ Maxx haul. And then I got this Ecotools one. This also I haven't removed yet because I got that other Ecotools one from TJ Maxx. So I was trying to decide, should I keep that, and I already opened that and I've kept that. So I was trying to reason why I need this one, and this one would be good for travel actually, because it has like small brushes, so that fit in your pouch very nice. Because I have the double-ended one, which is very, I don't really take it for travel. I keep it, you know, here. I take the ones like the other ones. So those were pretty long. So this one I really liked it, but I haven't decided yet, so I didn't open or anything. I've just kept that. So this was $6.99 for 5 brushes. So this was 5 brushes. And then I got this one, and this one, guys, I have no idea why I got this, because this says 60 plus, okay, 60 plus age. Okay, I am not that old, and I am 41, so I probably need some skincare stuff. But I was looking at it, I was like, I don't want to use something that say for 60 plus and make my skin even more sensitive, because I feel like the more stuff you use on your skin, the more your skin becomes like sensitive, and the more you have to take care of it. That's why I don't like to go and get like manicure or pedicure or facials done, because I feel like it's like a maintenance. You go once, then again you'll feel like you want to go again, you know. So I just that's why I don't like to even go. So that's why I thought like, should I get this? And this was like only it was $7.99, and it's a big serum. And the reason I was thinking all that thing also was only because I saw this pearl extract serum. And that to me, like, it's like, oh, it's going to be so good, because anything I see like pearl extract or snail extract or things like that, I feel like sea related, seaweed stuff, algae, anything, then I feel like it's going to be so good for your skin, because I mean the studies actually say that all this kind of stuff are like having this anti-aging properties. And my logic is, I think it is because like 80% of our body is like water, right? And these are all the stuff that are in water, and I don't know, that's my logic, that grow in water or related to water. So I kind of feel like maybe that's why they help with rejuvenating or regenerating your skin. So that's just my logic, okay, that nobody says in any study, but that's just my logic, because they are supposed to be really good. Like the snail extract is very, very good for your skin, they say. So that's what it has, like everything that you need for your skin, I guess. So when I saw that pearl extract serum, so that's why I wanted to get it. So I used this one day already, and my face felt so smooth the other day. I was like just doing that, it felt so smooth and nice. I liked it, but it also scared me because of that. So now I'm like, I'm going to probably use it once in a while and not use it like every day or something, because I already have my everyday serum that I use. I don't want to like pile on serums. So this one, maybe once in a while, when I feel like I need little more thing to my face, then I might use it. It says it's from Exclusive Cosmetics, Pearl Extract Serum, Intensive Revitalizing Face Serum. So I'm sure if you're much older, it probably will work very good, because it does work, because I really felt so good when I used it. But yeah, it just scared me, because something that gives like sudden difference or sudden change also kind of scares me, because I feel like, what's in it, like how did it make a difference, So but this I have read all the things, ingredients, and it doesn't have anything that I need to be scared of, because it has the vitamin, collagen, hyaluronic acid, coenzyme Q10, and extract from pearls, vitamin A, E, and D panthenol. So it has all the kind of stuff that probably is in moisturizers, most of the moisturizers. So I think it's like nothing to be like scared of. So I didn't see any ingredient that was like scary to me. So, but it has, okay, yeah, I know now what I was scared of when I read here. I read it has this midazolinedinyl urea, and then all these parabens, like 3 parabens. So that is what actually I think I got a little scared of. Then I saw the retinol palmitate also, but that doesn't scare me, because retinol is actually good for your skin, but just that I don't like to use too much. When it says like complete retinol, I don't want to use that, because that will be more percentage of that retin A in it. And when it says retinol palmitate, I think it's less percentage. It's there even in my Olay serum. So it does help your skin, like for anti-aging skin, it's really good. But like retin A, right, they use it under the eye and all, that is very like prescription oriented. You have to get prescription for it, because it's very high percentage that they use. So I don't want to use retin A for anything, because it's going to make your skin so sensitive, the under eye, everything. You have to really take care, like when you go in sun and everything. So that's why even if I see retin A or retinol, I don't like want it. But the retinol palmitate is okay. But this one, when I read that urea and stuff, that is actually used, or I don't know how they obtain that, right? I think it comes from the animal excretion or something like that, I read. But they say that they only use the synthetic urea when they use in cosmetic stuff. But still, it was kind of like, I was a little bit like, skeptical about that. So, but I'd already opened it and used it once, and I did like it. So I thought, okay, let me once in a while I can try to use it, so it's fine. It's probably strong, but I'm not going to use it every time. So I guess that's it. Yeah, I have a shoe actually. I got this Tom shoe. I thought this was so pretty. It's a tie-up shoe, and it's golden color leather. Golden leather. I love the block heel, because from the time, like I was telling, I had twisted my ankle last year. It's been over a year, but I still have issues to wear like very high heel, and I have lot of high heels that are like completely new. I have not used them. They still have tags on them, but I probably just have to like try to give them away and sell. Like one I actually gave to one of my friend. It was kind of like an office shoe, so you know, she could it was very heel, too much heel, like a pinpoint heel. So, and I was able to wear that at that, you know, before, but too much of that pinpoint heel I cannot wear right now with my leg condition. So that's why I was like, okay, I gave that to one of my friend. But then I have few more that I was like, I loved them so much that I'm like holding on to them, that I may use, but I'm not going to. So I'm going to just, you know, put them out to sell or something, put it on maybe in my local app to sell it. But this kind of heel, right, it depends on the arch actually. If the arch is like not too deep and like that, I can still manage it. Like this I can wear because of this heel and support. I get so much support. I don't feel that much of my leg. I mean, it's going to hurt after if I wear it for a few hours, but I can manage with this. So that's why I got this one. So this is really pretty, and this I got for, it was like sale on sale, because I see like 3-4 tags inside, 3 tags. So it was 30 at last, $29.99. So but it's Tom's, and I do like it. It felt so comfortable, so I got that. So that's it. Thank you so much, guys, if you have watched till the end. And I probably need to shorten my videos, but it always gets long. So I will try next time. And I feel like my screen is all tilted today. Maybe I don't have the camera in a right angle. I'm sorry if it is that, because I'm not going to do this video again, because it's the second time I'm recording this video. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.